Foxy awoke and immediately felt a tickle in the endoskeleton beneath his nose.
Achoo!
He sneezed, metal joints creaking. He shivered.
Achoo!
He clacked his loose jaw in annoyance. A cold. And when a human was in the building, he had a job to do. Freddy would expect him to sprint, to sing. He hoped his voice would hold up. He peeked out of the curtains.
Achoo!
How embarrassing. Sneezing, and with a human to get rid of. How could a human be scared of a sick animatronic?
Achoo!
He hoped the human wasn't viewing him through the camera. Sneaking, evil things, humans. Murderers. Foxy knew. They all did. Who would want a murdering human in their home? But it would be all right. One day they'd get this human too, and save more children from the brutality of their elders. Good. Curtains open a bit more. Well, if the human was going to stare at him, he guessed he would just have to stare at it. He positioned himself right in front of the camera. He hoped the human was getting a good scare. His nose prickled again. He tried desperately to hold in the sneeze, but it would not be contained.
Achoo!
He sniffed and stared at the camera, daring the human to laugh. It was surely time now. He started towards the office, loping. His joints ached a protest, but he accelerated. Maybe this time. No. The door was shut before him. His head drooped, but he banged on the door half-heartedly a few times, just to scare the human, before sinking back behind his curtains.
Achoo!
He sneezed miserably and curled up behind the curtains in Pirate's Cove, too tired to make another sprint. He sang a few times to keep the human on edge, but his voice was too sore to sing too much. He growled in annoyance. He'd get that human sometime. Sometime. Thank you all so much for listening to this fanfic. We really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like and a comment below to let us know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to receive your weekly fiction fix from us at Fiction Radio today.